You don't really need gloves, but I do it because everyone on TikTok is soft. The trusty Caravan toilet cassette. Inevitably, they will fail. There's one little screw that holds that whole mechanism together in there. It's that one screw there that if that comes undone, you're in a world of hurt. And if you think about corrugations, you go over enough of them, this is going to fail. Mine has failed, and I'm going to show you how to save a bit of money. This is what you need. It's the mechanism. You just buy the lid. Now, about $240 to replace this toilet when it does die on you. But if it's just this mechanism part inside here, that mine's just gone. It's disappeared into the abyss, and then I've gone to empty it, and the guts of it has probably gone to Bondi Beach somewhere. So I'm going to show you now how to replace this mechanism really easily. I struggled with this, I struggled, and then I realised that if you pull this bit out a little bit and push on the bottom, you can get a bit of leverage. It'll turn. It's 2 circles, and you've got to line up the arrow with the other circles. Look, this isn't for everyone. You can spend 80 bucks on the mechanism and replace it yourself, or you can just do the 240 and buy the whole new cartridge. But I'm a bit of a tired and you can see here that we've had catastrophic failure and it's broken off. Whereas here, all the screws are on, everything's good. Now, if you want to get in there and give it a detail, now's when you would do that. Best thing to clean that is obviously the SPT17, which is a beast at cleaning germs. In fact, I like to clean the outside with it as well. Really good cleaning product, and you get it for free right now when you get the toilet tank powder cleaner, which, there you go, so good, mate. This stuff makes everything smell like a day spa, so we'll get that in there as well. Now, I'll probably run a little bit of warm water in there and give it a good clean out. If you think I'm biased towards the SPT17, well, it's because I order a lot of toilet powder cleaner, and you get one of these free every time you get one of these. So one in the car, got one in the boat, got one in the Caravan. The best cleaner on the market. If I was selling Caravans and I was smart, I'd probably put a few bottles in each van. Enough of that. Okay, so I just line up the little triangle to there. It'll drop in, right, nice and easy. Nice and easy. There it is. Good. And now you're going to find it hard to rotate it. So what I do is I just open it, get my hands, give a little push down, and it'll come around in a minute. There you go. Just like that. And then it's ready to go. It's brand new. Cost me 70 bucks. Happy days. It's just the best. There should be nowhere in your Caravan that hasn't been sprayed with that, I reckon. Just kills 99.9% of germs, but it doesn't smell. So if you've got a brand new Caravan, it keeps it smelling brand new instead of, I don't know, pine trees and lavender. Better not put the full one back in there, eh? Cool. The time. Done. And there's the second one ready to go to Bondi.